Hola, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Sarah. I would do a house tour. Thought this would be interesting to see where I'm living and like a tour of a normal house in this little town that I'm living in Colombia. So, welcome to my home. Ramp for a motorcycle. Dog. Venga, Eris. Eris, venga. Water because it rains at night. And it comes in through the door. Last night it thundered here so bad that it woke all of us up and the dog was scared and the power went out till 8 this morning. So this is a 3-bedroom house. It's like a house, apartment house. In the US you would call it like a townhouse because it's like surrounded by other houses on the side, but it's its own special thing. It's like there's no one above us. This is where the motorcycle usually goes. This is our typical, when you walk in, this is what you see. Dog. Here is the first room. So there aren't actually doors. If you want a door, you have to buy it and put it on yourself, which we have for our room. This is the second room. So like I said, there's 3 bedrooms. Okay, there's no light in this room. So this is used for when people come visit. There's a spare bed. Just some spare stuff. This right here is considered the kitchen or like the dining room. So there's not like it's not like set up like with a couch and dining room like we're used to, but this is what we use to eat. Right now I have it set up and I'm working there. And this is our kitchen. As you see, we have a hot plate. We do not have a stove. We do not have an oven. It is very common to just have a hot plate here. And we have a refrigerator, but as you see, the refrigerator is smaller than me. So it's not common to have like a huge refrigerator. And half of it is used for storage of our groceries, as well as underneath. So as you notice, there are no cabinets. There's no cabinets, there's no huge like area like in the US like we have for kitchens. And this storage space was put in by us. It's not common to have everything you need when you come to a place. So all this stuff was installed. So basically you just rent a house and then what you want, you have to buy, like this fridge, you have to buy. So the next room is my room and there's a door only because we bought it and put it on. Dog. So this is my desk. It was built for me when I moved in. As you notice, there are desks here, but they were built, they were not here. So everything here was built. And this is my closet. Not your normal closet, right? It's not like a door on it, it's just shelves. But this was also put in by us. It wasn't here before. But this is my shelf. I love it because it's perfect for me. And my desk, perfect. We're working on building a little table for the bed. Oh, we have a light. I didn't turn it on. Okay, so the next room is the bathroom. And if you're wondering, no, we do not have hot water either. So yes, cold showers. I'm back to cold showers. As you notice, one knob So this is our bathroom. Yep, that's it. Pretty basic, one bathroom for 3 people. But we have a outdoor patio, which is awesome. And if you notice, you did not see a washer, you did not see a dryer, because this is the washer and dryer. If you didn't see my last video of me doing laundry, I will link it below above. This is where we do our laundry. Obviously, this is also where we hang our laundry. We put a little desk out here because it is so hot here. So well, it's just hot here all the time. So during the day, I'll come out here and sit and work. So we found this desk on the street and we use it now and it's perfect. But we also have this little area up here. And that is a tour of a typical house here in Colombia. And one thing I forgot to mention is this roof. The roof is like, I don't know what it is, if it's tin, but literally during the day sometimes it feels like it's an oven in here because the roof is so freaking hot. But everyone here has the same roof, so I'm assuming everyone has the same problem. But anyways, we have a fan, and like I mentioned last night, the electricity went out for almost all night because we had such a bad storm. The dog was scared, it woke all of us up, and I think she's still a little terrified this morning. Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna get back to work, and let me know what you think of my new house, if this is what you expected or if it's different. Oh, and also, just so you know how much this costs a month. So for the whole house, it costs $60 US a month to rent. And a little bit more, that's not including utilities, but utilities here are not very much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.